Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to put a fireplace on your TV in just few seconds. So let's get started. So we are working on desktop. You are working on TV, your smart TV. Open firstly YouTube. Then you will search for fireplace. Then press on enter. Here you will see. Click on it. Then click on the full screen. Close this. Set this video quality to HD. Here it is loading now. Here it. Now you will see fireplace video will appear on your TV. It's look like awesome. It feels cozy. That's it. Now you can enjoy relaxing fireplace on your TV anytime. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.